Ito yung ano.
Each bracelet.
Souvenir shop. Souvenir shop. Saan? Okay. Na. Saan tayo? Bili tayo? Ha? O sige, bibidyo ko man sa labas. Oh, masin. Hey, Lay.
Pagod na lahat.
Wala na, inubo na. Mainit na. Ayan yung pinakatalagaan niya, no?
Mais kinakain.
Mais yung kinakain. Mais ang puno. Anong bunga? Hindi mais. Ne. Ayan, no?
Doon yung mga uwi sa kabila.
Mm-mm.
Ay, hindi.
Hey, Lay.
Have some? Have some? Yeah? Or the mot? Why you so stingy?
Sir Kuya, hindi naman nandiyan niya daw kasi yung candy niya kanina.
You know. Pero punta tayo ano, Asian.
Pagod sila today.
Oh, kumain na eh, no?
Ay, hello kuya.
Hello.
Tulog. Tulog. Lahat sila tulog. Ano yata yung oras na pinunta natin?
Dapat maaga, no? Dito sila kakain eh. Ayun, nakabita yung ano lang.
Magtrabaho, magtrabaho.
Saan kayo sa atin? Dito. Sa
Sydney po.
Sydney? Ano? Tamort kami, tamort.
Why no? Why no? Guys? Why no?
Ellie!
Sino yung sakyan?
Kino yung car?
Let's say wake up. Let's say wake up. Busog na siya eh. Parang nakikinig siya, oh, yung tayo niya gumagalaw. Wake up, wake up. Wake up.
I still see the bench.
Maybe it wake up if the birds near. Wake up.
dami nila oh.
Ang dami, 14 lang to.
Kaya nga eh.
Biglang pagkain hindi dapat dito bigyan ng carrots eh. Ay, ano? Tabako.
Ayun.
No?
Stop! Wait lang ako. Ayun mo kumakain.
Ay, giraffe! Ang layo niyo, giraffe!
Ayun oh. Ang ganda yan, ang ganda.
Lapit ko na yan. Yung gano'n dami.
Mukha kasi silang giraffe.
Mukha silang giraffe.
What's that? What's that?
Ang pangalan niyo pa, baka?
Ayun. Hindi, kalabaka.
Ila baka. Joka. Come here, look at us, look at us. Look at me, 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 look at me. Come here. Haley. Haley, look at me. Look at me. Haley. Up, 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 up. Look me, look me. Yeah, your hat is here. Look, look, look at me, look at me, look at me. Look at me, look at me. There's only look.
Cheetah. Sleep na siya, sleep.
Let's go there, let's go. They're gonna feed the cheetah. Matatandaan na yan, no?
Ang laki siguro niya no? Mga ilang kilo kaya?
Game ba po?
Loko-loko. Pek-pek ano.
Let's go to the cheetah, they're gonna feed it. Napakainin nila yung cheetah. Tara, 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 tara.
Saan yung cheetah?
11:20 na.
Tara pa, maganda pa kayo yung cheetah.
Then I'll come up on the right hand side. So she hopefully won't take too long eating each piece. I'll start down here. So we feed our cheetah 4 days a week, and that's just trying to mimic, once again, in the wild, they wouldn't eat every day, and their bodies are actually not designed to eat every day. It can actually really mess with their gastric pH, their digestive systems, all those kinds of things if they're eating every day. So 4 days a week, they get a variety of different meats. They get chicken, they get rabbit, deer, what else, kangaroo, a whole range of different food. Chicken, she probably eats the quickest, and it is probably her favourite. It's probably the best day to see her because the kangaroo days, the deer days, the rabbit days, that will be what we call a carcass feed. So that means that she'll get the fur, the bones, the skins, organs, all those good bits and pieces, so it's really good for her. But we usually throw the meat over, she grabs it and runs away, and we won't see her again. So chicken, she's definitely going to hang around. All right, guys, I'll just squeeze in here. Sorry, thank you. Thank you. Where is she? She hopefully will... Oh, that was a bit of flying chicken. Sorry, everyone. There we go. All right. So even if she does grab that piece and run away a little bit, it won't be long. It won't take her too long to eat that, and then hopefully she'll come back in a moment. Now, Cheetah, everyone knows, they're very, very fast. They are the world's fastest land mammal. This gives them a lot of good traction whilst they're running. They're basically like having inbuilt spikes or inbuilt cleats on the bottom of their feet, and the underside of that foot pad is also like a tyre. That's probably the best way I can kind of describe it. She's got a very long and flexible spine and a very long and heavy tail. So the tail they'll use like a rudder. So if whatever they're chasing is zigzagging, which is what prey animals often tend to do, cheetah can use that tail to counterbalance their own weight, and they'll change their own direction whilst they're running without losing too much speed. They can even change direction whilst they're mid-air as well. So pretty amazing. So yes, all of those things combine to being absolutely amazing sprinters, but they really have to try to catch their food in that very short burst of speed. So in general, a cheetah hunt will take between 30 and 60 seconds.
Grabe. Ayun, yun yung magina, oh.
Ay,
Eh.
nanay. Ano pa?
Kasi ito yung pinaka, ano, naglalaro.
Biguan na. Elepante. Elepante. Dito ka. Ang panin.
Hello, everyone. Okay. Enjoying lang namin yung ito, yung zoo. Yan, yung elephant. Tapos mo dada. Nagpe-play siya. Nag-play siya. Mau. Step. Sige. Hey, Patrick. Look, elephants, oh. LA, elephants. LA, elephants. Say hello to elephants.
Say hi to elephant.
Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, elephants.
Ano yung meron doon? Tingnan na.
Ah, yeah.
Look at the other one, oh.
Oh, nagchat-chat yun, no? Yeah.
Oo. Helay. Look, look. Helay. Hey. Smile talaga. Smile si Helay, oh. Hi guys, andito kami sa Elephant. Hi guys na ako. Okay, keep on watching.
Ayun, maganda ng puno pag sunod.
Oh. Yun oh, pagka ano, sasakay ka doon, may tiger.
Doon nga, diba? Doon sa natin
Mm-mm.
kumain. Yung boat doon, kailangan ano dito.
Enjoy lang. Enjoy lang dito sa Davao Zoo. Ayan, oh. Zebra.
Tiger, ma'am, sa loob. Pa, tiger sa loob.
Oo. Ito ay tiger. Ayun, tiger.
Papa?
Ay, init. Sobrang init.
Mukha sa tiger.
Payat siya, no? Payat.
Hele, look natin. Hele, look. Picture. Smile. Like a tiger? Yeah? 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 They're swimming here, there. They put the water so they can't go in. What? Quack, quack. Yeah.
LA, tiger.
What's the sound of the tiger?
Alright.
Yeah, look, the tiger drinking. See? You like it?
Di ba sign ng ano niya? Kain.
Look, tiger. What the sound of the tiger?
That's Sumatran tiger. Ayun, o.
You like it? Sarap maligo sa...
LA. Hi. Nakasumak na niya.
Babas na? Wala pa din.
Yun ang merkat dito.
Ailey, come here, Ailey.
Yes. It's a jewel.
What's that, Louie? A camel? We're lost in the bush. Do you know your way out? This is where we got a map. Did you hear over? She's like, we're lost.
Good.
Nauna pa kayo bumababa sa akin.
Your mum's so uneducated.
Up there, Hailey.
They bill. Very cute. Oh, ay, cute nila oh. Cute.
Dagang bear.
Tasmanian devil. They're cute. They lay down. Nag-lay down na siya. Nag-lay down na. Okay.
Ang laki oh, yun oh. Ang laki. This is the baby kangaroo pa. Baby.
Show. Baby shark. Matanda na.
Kilimanjaro din ang pretty much the sun doesn't. So, question, that is sorry,
Yeah, इधर आ जाओ गाइस, इधर सुनाए कौन?
Can I wait 1 minute?
तू कहाँ जा रही है इधर?
एक मिनट बेटा, नहीं 1 मिनट, वो चेक करने जा रही है। नहीं पहले उसको चेक करके आना है।
We don't know ना बेटा अंदर क्या है, आपको कुछ हो जाए फिर?
नहीं है टोटल वो चेक करने जा